Okay, hey guys. I wanted to tell you about this wig really quick. I'm heading out the door, but of course I have to film a video. So this is a bob wig from, oh, let me fix it first. This is a bob wig from Beauty Forever Hair. I've actually never tried their hair before, but here it is. It's 14 inches. It's a headband wig, but like, guys, for under $100, this is pretty natural looking, don't you think? Now, I would say it could be a little fuller, but then I thought about it, like, my real hair is actually not that full looking, so this actually fits pretty well. For construction, there's 3 combs in the front, 1 major one in the middle here, and then 2 on the sides, which super secure, not worried about that. This headband wig actually has adjustable straps, which I've never seen on a headband wig before, and I don't use adjustable straps, but if you needed to, they're there. And there's a comb right in the back as well. So again, I don't use the adjustable straps because, you know, big head girl over here, I don't need them. But if you do have a smaller head size, those are available. This wig retails for about, let me see. Okay, so I paid about $72 for her, and you guys, I love it. It actually came with a little kind of like flip situation, but I immediately washed her, of course, and I just straightened her straight down, straight like bone. I actually got this wig to wear at the gym. I thought it would be a really good gym wig, but now that I'm looking at it, it's actually cute to go out to brunch, which is where I'm going right now. I also want to point out, when I washed her, you know how wigs kind of have that film that comes off of them and it's kind of gross? This didn't really have too much of a film. There was a little bit of a yellow tint in the water, but nothing too concerning, nothing too bad. I was actually really surprised by that. It's just like a close-up, I guess. As you can see, it does have those little pieces in here that are like, not blonde, but there are some pieces that are a little off color, but you can't really notice them that much. It does have a slight wave when you do wash it. It's super pretty, super soft hair. But there's a slight wave, so if you do want to straighten it out, I think the slight wave look would actually look pretty good too. But this is it, like completely straightened with my straightener, and my hair underneath here is just plaits basically all the way around. I even blew out this front section and laid it down with some gel and edge control, which probably won't last, but you know, we tried. If y'all ever want me to do a full video of how I like prep my hair for headband wigs, let me know. I notice a lot of YouTubers, they'll do headband reviews, but they never like show you guys what their hair looks like underneath. And as a natural, I kind of want to know. So that's just kind of the thing I've been doing. It's just plaits. But the front is always confusing to me because it's like you want leave out, but not really. But you still want it like laid. It's a lot. So I finally kind of figured out something that works for me. But yeah, so I'm losing some sun. It's getting cloudy, but I'm gonna head out. Make sure you guys check this out. I'm gonna leave it down below. It is from Amazon, so it also is Amazon Prime. So you can definitely get it in 2 days or less. I definitely ordered this on Wednesday, got it Friday, perfect in time for the weekend. So definitely consider this. I think I'm definitely gonna love this for the gym and even going out and about this summer. You know, it's not too long, just the right amount to like not be too hot on your neck. You know, I get hot, so it'd be a struggle, y'all. But I'm running late, so I'll see you guys later. Check down below for the link, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.